In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export video as MP4 in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Once you've finished editing your project and you're happy with how everything looks on your timeline, it's time to turn it into a shareable video file. In Premiere Pro, that means exporting, and the most common format is MP4, which works great for YouTube, social media, and most devices. With your project open in the editor, move your mouse to the top menu bar. Click on File, then hover over Export and choose Media. This will open the Export Settings window, which is where we'll set everything up. In this window, look for the Format dropdown. To export as an MP4, set the format to H260. In Premiere, choosing H264 is what creates an MP4 file, so this step is essential. Next, you can pick a preset. This is optional, but highly recommended because it saves time and gives you reliable settings. In the preset menu, you'll see a long list. For most online videos, something like YouTube 1080p Full HD works really well. If you want to keep things close to your original sequence settings, choose Match Source, High Bitrate. Presets are a great shortcut and are usually good enough for most situations. Now, set your output location. Under Output Name, you'll see some blue text. Click that. A file browser window will pop up. Here, choose the folder where you want Premiere to save your exported video. This is a good moment to rename your file to something clear and organized so it's easy to find later. Once you've picked the location and name, click Save. If you need more control, you can adjust the settings, but this part is optional. Under the Video tab, you can fine-tune things like resolution, frame rate, and bit rate. In most cases, the default values that come with your preset are perfectly fine and will give you a good quality file. Under the Audio tab, make sure the audio format is set to AAC. A bitrate of around 320 kilobits per second is a solid choice for clear, high-quality sound. When everything looks good, go to the bottom right of the window and click Export. Premiere Pro will start rendering your video. Once the export is complete, you'll find your MP4 file in the folder you selected earlier, ready to upload, share, or archive. And that's it. You've successfully exported your video as an MP4 in Adobe Premiere Pro CC.